How to get zombie chicken and grow a garden on Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about getting the zombie chicken or chicken jockey, which is also known as chicken zombie, which was a special mythical pet in Grow a Garden and Roblox during the Blood Moon event on May 17, 2025. So what it exactly does. When you use the chicken zombie or the chicken jockey, it gives you these advantages that it helps in zombify mutation. Every 30 minutes, a nearby fruit has a 20% chance of becoming zombified. So this greatly increases the fruit's value when you sell it. And it also boosts the speed of the egg hatching. It makes eggs in your garden hatch 10% faster. So how can you get it? The chicken jockey was given away for free to players who logged in right after the Blood Moon update started. If you were playing when the update launched, the pet was automatically added to your inventory before the update cutscene. So can you still get it? No, you can't really get the chicken jockey anymore through normal gameplay. It was only available for a limited time and now it's rare. So can you trade it? The game does not allow direct trading for the chicken jockey. Some players have traded or given them away through online communities like Reddit, but these trades aren't official and it could be risky. So if one of your friends or the people you know has the chicken jockey, you can ask them for trade. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.